Welcome to our upper body strength training section. We have 15 moves for 45 seconds each, 15 seconds rest. I'm using a set of 8-pound dumbbells. That's 3.5 kg. We follow along. We have a superset format. So we have 2 moves. We're going to repeat those moves. And then when we repeat them, you have an option to level up the intensity or a little extra oomph. Again, only if you want to. So we're going to get started. Our first 2 moves are using 1 dumbbell. So grab that 1 dumbbell. Feet are underneath the hips, and we'll start by holding it on either side. We push out, and we bring it back in. Straight out from the chest. Our core is engaged. Feet are underneath those hips, and our shoulders are down and back. Because we're bringing the weight in front of the body, we're also really using our core here. Simply out and in, working the front of the shoulders as well. Find a nice breathing pattern. Let's get 1 more in. Excellent. Next we have, using one side at a time, a bicep row. So the palm is facing up. Staggered stance here. We pull it back towards the hip and bring it back down. If you want to relieve any pressure off the back or go a little deeper, you can rest your hand on the chair or up here, whatever's comfortable for you. Pull it back and down. As you're hinged over, our back is flat, nice neutral spine. And then make sure we're not twisting in any direction. So our hips and our shoulders are square. We pull it straight back towards that hip. Again, the support of the chair is optional. Ooh, felt that one. Same thing, other side. Just gonna switch right over. Nice wide staggered stance here. A little shake out or shoulder roll if you need to. We're gonna hinge forward. You can support on that thigh. And we pull it back, again, palm up. You're just gazing a few feet in front of you so your neck is in line with your spine. Up and back, you got it. 10 more seconds. Well done, we go back to that first move. And the added intensity is as we push it out to give it a little twist, center, and bring it back in. We'll alternate which side we twist it to. Let's go. Forward, twist, center, and bring it back in. Second time through, it should feel more challenging. Totally okay to drop to a lighter weight if you need to. I know it's tricky to find the weight. One that works for multiple moves, so you're not switching back and forth all the time, but one that challenges you, but that you can keep with proper form. Well done. Back to our bicep rows. Big step back. And this time for the added intensity, if you'd like, we row it back and then you're gonna give a little baby bicep curl at the top. Lower, lift, baby bicep, and down. Pull it back, little curl. Working those upper back muscles. and the biceps. You also might be feeling it, that supporting shoulder and that supporting leg. All good things. Again, feet on the other side, and then we move on to the next block. Okay, inhale. Exhale, let's get into position. Palm up. We pull back. Optional baby bicep. And again, gentle reminder to have a strong core here, taking the pressure off the back. Shake it out if you need to. Whew, that got a little spicy. Grab your second weight. Elbows are going to be 90-degree here. And then we lift it up and down for that shoulder raise. Super important here that we keep the shoulders down. Think of a nice long, tall neck. So even though we're exercising the shoulders, we don't want to let them creep up. So nice and slow and controlled. This is a challenging one. A modification, if it feels too much, do one at a time. There's no shame in making it work for you. Breathe. And rest. Feel free to put the dumbbells down between our quick breaks as well. Next, we're going into a hammer curl. So palms are facing in. So we're simply curling up and down. Elbows stay close to our sides. Nice and slow. And just like with that shoulder raise, if you want to do one at a time, that's great. Or switch like that. You make it work for you. Keep a soft bend in your knees as well. You got it. Put mine down for a little shakeout. And we go back to that 90-degree shoulder raise. This time we're going to add, again, a little quarter rep or a little pulse on top. When you're ready, let's go. Lift, little pulse, and down. And again, feel free to do one side at a time. Or grab lighter weights. Or go nice and slow. We're more than halfway there. I know you're feeling it. You guys keep asking for more challenging intermediate workouts. Here you go. Wow. Shake it out. Back to bicep curls. Palms facing in. It's hammer curls. Let's go. Slow and controlled here. So I don't want to see any of this action, right? We want to isolate those arms. Halfway there. We got this. I'm right here with you. It hurts, I know. We can do hard things. You will thank me after doing this a few more times for your new strong toned arms. Well done. Coming into a wide row, take a staggered stance. So one step back, again, a slight hinge forward. Palms facing in, and we pull back nice and wide. Pull back. Slow release down. Pull back. Slow release. Here's another one where don't let the shoulders creep up. Keep them down and away from your ears. And you want to keep that hinge forward so we work the upper back. If we were to be standing straight up, you'd feel it in the shoulders. So mind where the muscle is. Think about pinching those shoulder blades together. Right there. And slow down. Next, we're going to overhead tricep, 1 or 2 weights. So you choose how challenging you want this to be. We go overhead, release down, and up. Make sure that your head stays back here. It naturally wants to come, forward here. Don't let it keep it back. Strong core. Keep your pelvis, tucked ever so slightly. Not so there's an arch in the back, but I don't want you like that either. So nice straight spine. Down and up. Your weights can be separate or pushed together. If you're just using one dumbbell, you can hold both ends so that weight stays equally distributed. Oh, it's getting hard. All right, second set of our wide rows. Switch feet if you remember which one was back on your staggered stance. Hinging slightly forward, palms towards you. Here we go. Up and down. Up, slow down. You could do this move one side at a time as well. Oh, I forgot. We were supposed to add that little pulse. Join me. Add that little pulse. Woof. Okay. Last set of those overhead triceps, 1 or 2 weights. And again, add the little pulse or quarter rep if you'd like to. Here we go, core in, down, little up, and then all the way up. Down, about halfway or quarter way, and up. Back, little lift, and all the way. It's hard, I know. We're halfway there. I won't tell if you dropped 1 weight, but if you stayed with 2, I'm so proud of you. Let me know in the comments. Woo, leave me a note. Oh my gosh, okay guys. Only 1 rep or 1 set of our last move. We're gonna swing it forward, bring it down, comes back up, overhead press. Swings forward, down, and overhead press. So just a little momentum on that forward swing, but the only thing that's moving is the shoulder, so we're keeping our body straight, right? It's not like a kettlebell swing where we're moving our hips. Slow and controlled. Switch at the chest and down and press up. All right. Now that we're almost done, I found a little more energy. Woo! Well done, my friends. Nice work. Make sure that you stretch those muscles. And again, leave me a comment. Let me know what size weights you used.